Okay, so the individual investigative study for agricultural science. Here are some ideas that we can go through. So experiment idea number 1. We want to sow different varieties of potatoes, or any other crop for that matter, but today I'm going to do with potatoes, under similar conditions. How is this sustainable? Sustainability, if we get more produce from the same inputs, well, that means the enterprise is sustainable. The variable in today's experiment are the varieties of potatoes. We have 2 main crop potatoes here. The one on the left is Roosters and the one on the right is Kerr's Pink. I have 27 tubers for each one, and these will go into drills. Okay, I've chosen this plot to sow the potatoes in. As you can see here, I have some of my early potatoes already sown and they're already up. The Kerr's Pink are being sown into this drill here, and the Roosters will go into the one beside them. The drills already have farmyard manure added, and here we have some of this. It's fairly well rotted, it's broken up. The farmyard manure is added to both of them, and that's the only treatment to both of them. This was originally grassland. As you can see, the field nearby is all grass, and both sets of potatoes are sown in the same conditions. So, the constants. Same field, same soil, same pH, same amount of farmyard manure, no fertiliser in either one. Obviously the same climate and weather conditions, same amount of rain, same amount of sunshine, same temperature. As you can see that these potatoes have been out already. Chitting is the encouragement of the potatoes to produce a sprout. They've been sitting, they sprouted into warm temperatures, and now they've starting to produce their leaves, so they're just in the perfect condition to sow. Okay, so here we are sowing the potatoes. The potatoes go into the ground approximately 30 centimetres apart, which is about the length of my boot. They go in here, and we're going to cover them with 15 centimetres of clay, and both potatoes will be sown in the exact same conditions. And here we are now, just finishing off the row with the last few to go in, and it's just about right. And there's the last of the Kerr's Pink in. As I said, we've sown 27 of them, and we're going to go now, get a label and make sure we have the right one for it. And that will go in here so we can tell which ones are which afterwards. And here we are running the Kerr's Pink in under the exact same conditions, and we'll cover these to a depth of 15 centimetres as well. And we're here coming to the end. We've the last few, 25, 26 and 27 Kerr's Roosters put in here as well. But I call them Kerr's Pink earlier on. And here we are, so we know which ones it is. Roosters. So here we are 3 weeks later, and we can see the Roosters and the Kerr's Pinks, and we can see the first number of potatoes starting to emerge from the soil. So these will take a lot longer before they're ready, and in fact they won't be ready for another 5-6 months in October before we can get harvest. So what constants do we have in this experiment? As we were outside, we could see with the soil type, the soil temperature, soil pH, the fertility, weather, climate, rainfall, farmyard manure, the amount of farmyard manure put into each one. After the farmyard, of course, we have the distance between each potato, which was 30 centimetres, is constant, and the depth of sowing is constant, which is 15 centimetres.